So nth term. So n we have to find out. In this formula, nth term a, n, d are the unknowns. So nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. What is your nth term? 3.6. What is a? 18.9 plus n minus 1 into what is d? D is 2.5. ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ multiplication, addition ಇದ್ದಾಗ first you have to consider addition. I have to take this side. 3.6 minus 18.9 equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. n minus 1 into d. D is 2.5. Now take this side. Minus 15.3 divided by 2.5. How much it is? Minus 15.3 divided by 2.5. 2, which is equal to n minus 1. If I take minus 1 this side, it becomes plus 1. 1 minus 6.12 equal to n, or minus 5.12 equal to n. What is n? N is the number of term, that is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, nth term ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಮೈನಸ್ 1th ಟರ್ಮ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆರ್ 0.2th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೆಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ first term, second term, third term. It should be positive integers. It never be negative or fraction. So I got negative here. Means what? That term does not exist. ಆ ಟರ್ಮು ಈ ಎ ಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. That term does not exist in this AP. This is what this problem. See here. The same problem with small change. Which term of an AP is 3.6? Whose first term is minus 18.9? In the previous problem I took plus 18.9 and I showed that term does not exist because then you got negative as well as fraction both. Whose common difference is 2.5. So what is they given? Which term of an AP? What do you mean by which term of an AP? Say nth term of an AP. So nth term of an AP is 3.6 they given, and whose first term is minus 18.9 and common difference is 2.5. What is your nth term formula? Nth term formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. Am I right? What is your nth term here? 3.6 equal to what is a? Minus 18.9 plus n minus 1, don't forget to put the bracket here, into what is d? 2.5. Now minus 18.9, if I take this side it becomes plus 18.5. 3.6 plus 18.9, how much it is? 3.6 plus 18.5, how much it is? 22.5 equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Now if I take 2.5 this side, 22.5 divided by 2.5, how much it is? 9. This is 9 equal to n minus 1. If I take minus 1 this side, it becomes n equal to minus 1. If I take this side, it becomes plus 9. 9 plus 1, 10. N equal to 10. So I did 5 problems, out of which 4 problems are finding each parameter. nth term ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಒಂದು, a ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಒಂದು, d ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಒಂದು, n ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. If exist then n value, if does not exist then n value. ಸೊ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್. I'll move on to the next question, which is also to find out n only. Which term of an AP? What do you mean by which term of an AP? What do you mean by which term of AP? Nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. So I need to find out n value. This is AP. By seeing this AP only we can find out whatever you want. So this is first term, that is A. Is 21 is the first term. Nodi. The common difference is term minus its previous term. 18 minus 21. 18 minus 21. ನೀವು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 21 minus 18 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಐ ಡಿಂಟ್ ಸೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 18 minus 21 ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3. ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 81 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಎ ಪಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಓದಬೇಡಿ, ಬಿಟ್ಬೋಣ. ಇವಾಗ ಓದಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 81. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 81. ನೋಡಿ, nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 81. Are you able to get it? That is n I need to calculate. Nth term of an AP is, what is the formula? N, A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term is minus 81 equal to A is 21 plus n minus 1 into what is D? Minus 3. This is, if I take this side, it becomes minus 81 minus 21. How much? N minus 1 into minus 3. What is minus 81 minus 21? Is it minus 1 or 2? It is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. That is n minus 1. If I take minus 3 into there, if I take this side, it becomes minus 1 not 2 divided by, multiplication ಇರೋದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ divided by ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 3. Minus minus cancel. 3 1s are 3, 3s are 9, 12, 3 4s are 12. 34 is equal to n minus 1. If I take 1 to this side, it becomes 35 equal to n. This is the next question. Check whether 301 is the term of this AP. 301 ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ, I have to consider this as nth term is 301. n should exist. n ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಎನ್ ಕಂಡಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಚೆಕ್ ವೆದರ್ 301 ಇಸ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಸೇ ಲೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ 301. 301 ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮು ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಅದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಎನ್ನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಎನ್ನು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ 301 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ಲ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎ ಪಿ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ 5, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. 11 minus 5, how much? Is it 6? Yes or no? This is your nth term. I need to indirectly calculate n value. Not directly. Find out n value ಅಂತ ಅವನು ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. I have to find out the n value indirectly because all other terms I know. A I know, common difference I know. Nth term, if I treat that as nth term, 301 is nth term. The nth term is also known. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? n. So what is your nth term formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. What is nth term? 301 equal to A is 5 plus n minus 1 into what is the D? D is 6. If I take this side, 301 minus 5, how much? How much it is? 296. 296 equal to n minus 1 into 6. So into ಇರೋದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ 296 divided by 6 equal to n minus 1. How much? 296 divided by 6 equal to n minus 1. If I take this side, it becomes 49 plus 1, 50.33 equal to n. So n fraction ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. In the last problem only I told n never be fraction. n should be positive integer. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಲೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So I got n is 50.33 means this term is not a term of this AP. This is not the one of the term of this AP. That is 301 is not a term of this AP 5, 11, 17, 23 and so on. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು term ಅಲ್ಲ. Got it? How many 2 digits numbers divisible by 3? ನೋಡಿ, indirectly again they given to find out n. How many? Yes, 2. Say n as 2. I don't know how many are there. n. Directly it didn't give to calculate n. Indirectly ask n. 2 digit number divisible by 3. Can you write 2 digits number which are divisible by 3? 3 definitely is divisible by 3. But it is not a 2 digit number. Which is the first 2 digit number divisible by 3? It is 12. Is it divisible by 3? Next 15. Is it divisible by 3? 18. It is divisible by 3. So on up to which is the last 2 digit number divisible by 3? Last one. Is it 99? 99 divided by 3. Is it divisible by 3? Which is the last 2 digit number. Next is 3 digit number starts. 2 digit number. So now check whether it is an AP or not. Is it AP? 15 minus 12 is 3, 18 minus 5, 15 is 3 and so on. So definitely it is an AP. AP with the first term. What is your first term? A is 12. That is common difference. D is 3. Nth term is also given. It is 99. They ask you to find out n. So what is your nth term? A plus n minus 1 into D. What is nth term? 99 equal to A is 12 plus n minus 1 into D is 3. That is, if I take this side, 99 minus 12, how much? 99 minus 12. 80 equal to n 87 equal to n minus 1 into 3. So here into is there. If I take this side, it becomes divided by 87 divided by 3 equal to n minus 1. 29 equal to n minus 1. If I take this side, it becomes 30 equal to n. So how many 2 digits number are there indirectly in this AP? 31 2 digits number are there which are divisible by 3. Find the 11th term. ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು? 11th term. 11th term ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ನಾನು. 11th term. From the last. ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು from the first. Now we have to do from the last. Of an AP whose first term is, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, first term is 10. Common difference is term minus its previous term. 7 minus 10 or 4 minus 7. Is it minus 3? 7 minus 10. Is it minus 3? And remember, this is also given. What is minus 62? is your nth term or last term. First of all, to find out the 11th term, what is the 11th term formula? 11th term is a plus 11 ginta ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ 10d. Am I right? But this formula is applicable from the first. I know a, I know d, substitute ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅವನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು from the last. For that, I need to write an AP from the last. Last ಇಂದ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು AP ನ. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು? ದಿಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ AP I have to write from the last. ಹೇಗೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. -62 3 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? -59 ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? -56 and so on up to 4, 7, 10. ನೋಡಿ, same AP I wrote in this way. Now, is that person asked you to find out 11th term from the beginning? ನೋಡಿ, ಅವನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು 11th term from here ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾನು ಅದೇ AP ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. Now, is it 11th term from the beginning? Is it the same formula what you have now? But with the difference. What is that? 11th term, definitely they ask you to find out 11th term. What is A? What is your first term? -62, not 10. What is your common difference? Term minus its previous term. Term minus its previous term. Which one it is? -59 minus -62. How much it is? That is minus into minus plus. 62 minus 59 is +3. Are you able to get it? Now, what is your 11th term? A plus 10d. What is A? -62 plus 10 into what is D? 3. That's equal to -62 plus 30. How much it is? -32. Is it your 11th term? Check from the last. Say this question, important concept in which you should know how to solve linear equation in 2 variables. Linear equation in 2 variables solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. That is another chapter. ಆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Here I will use some steps. If you didn't understood, that you will understand after teaching the linear equation in 2 variable. Determine an AP. ಅಂದರೆ AP ನೇ ಫುಲ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Arithmetic progression ಅಂದರೆ A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. That progression you have to write. Determine an AP. AP you have to write. Whose third term is 5 and whose 7th term is 9. 2 clues are given. A is not given, D is not given, N is not given, nothing is given. What they given? Third term is 5. Can you tell me what is third term formula? A plus 1 kadame 2D. Is it equal to 5? Here, can you tell me 7th term formula? A plus 6D. Is it equal to 9? I will call this as 1. I will call this as 2. From the beginning itself, you know, to write AP or for any AP, you should know 4 parameters. That is A, D, N, TN. ಯಾವುದೇ AP ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ A ಮತ್ತು D ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. Otherwise, you can't do anything in AP. So, A and D are main key points in AP. A ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, D ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. So now, A plus 2D is equal to 5, A plus 6D is equal to 9. I have 2 equations now. 2 linear equations. Can I solve these two? A plus 2D equal to 5, A plus 6D equal to 9. Can I solve these two using linear equation? Both are positive sign, plus plus, same term. So if I subtract this, subtract means so whole sign of each and every term sign I have to change. ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಮೈನಸ್ಸು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಮೈನಸ್ಸು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೊ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ನಾವು 2d minus 6d minus 4d, 5 minus 9 minus 4. So minus minus cancel, 4 ones are 4 ones are, d is it equal to 1. The common difference is 1. If I substitute this in any one of this equation, I will get a value, that is a plus 2d equal to 5. A plus 2 into what is d is 1 equal to 5. A equal to, if I take 2 this side, 5 minus 2 is 3. A is 3. Now what is your AP? What is AP? A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. This is your AP. What is A? A is 3. What is D? D is 1. A plus D, 3 plus 1 is 4. D is 1, 1 into 2, 2, 2 plus A is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. This is your required AP. ಇದನ್ನು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಓದಿರ್ತೀರ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. There you have to understand how I solved this one. So the next question is, find the 31st term. Find the 31st term. 31st term means from this what can I analyze? 31st term. What is 31st now? That is nth term. N is 31st. Of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. The similar problem I did in the previous one. Whose third term is this, sixth term is this. Find an AP. But here find 31st term they ask. For any AP, I clearly told that you must know A and D. So what is 11th term? That is A plus 10D equal to 38. What is 16th term? A plus 15D equal to 73. I need to solve these two linear equations to get A and D. What is the first one? First equation 18 plus A plus 17, 15D equal to 73. What about this one? A plus 10D equal to 38. Now just subtract. That is 15D minus 10D. How much? It is 5D. 73 minus 38. How much? 73 minus 38. 35. That is D equal to 5 ones are 5, 7s are 7. Substitute D in any one of this equation, you will get A. That is A plus 10D equal to 38. A plus 10 into what is D? 7 equal to 38. A plus 7 into 10, 70 equal to 38. A equal to 38 minus 70. How much it is? 38 minus 70 minus 32. I know A, I know D, I know N. Can I calculate 31st term? What is your 31st term formula? A plus 1 less than this, 30D. I know A, that is minus 32, plus 30 into I know D, that is 7. That is equal to minus 32 plus 7 3s are 21, 210. 210 minus 32, how much? 178 is your 31st term. See the next question. The 17th term of an AP. ಓದಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. 17th term of an AP exceeds ಅಂದರೆ more. Exceeds its 10th term by 7. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? 7th term of an AP ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಲೆಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ 10th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೈ 7 ಅಂದರೆ 17ನೇ ಟರ್ಮು 10th ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಿಂತ 7 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. 17 ಟರ್ಮು 10th ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಿಂತ 7 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 17th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ 10th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೈ 7. ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್, 10th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೈ 7. ಫೈಂಡ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ಡಿ ಕಂಡಿಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್. So what is 17th term formula? A plus 1 less than this, 16D. What is 10th term formula? A plus 1 less than that, 9D. A plus 7. Definitely A get cancelled. If I take this side, what I left with now? 16D minus 9D. 16D minus 9D. How much it is? 16 minus 9. Is it 7? Equal to 7. 7 cancel, D equal to 1. I got D. So I need to calculate D. They ask you to calculate D. I got D. So which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on will be 132 more than it's a 54th term. Which term of an AP? What do you mean by which term? Many times this sentence is repeating. Which term of an AP? Which term of an AP? Say nth term of an AP. Which term of an AP? This one. What is this AP? From this, whatever all I can collect. A is 3. D is 15 minus 3, that is 12, will be 132 more than 54th term. 132 more than which term of an AP? Say nth term of an AP is 132 more. In the previous problem I clearly told, more means plus. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ? 132 ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. 132 more than its 54th term. 54th term. Which term? I don't know. Maybe nth term. Nth term is 132 more than its 54th term. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. You have to read this sentence in terms of mathematics. ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ದ ಬರೆದಿರೋ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ಓದೋದು? ವಿಚ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ 132 ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 54th ಟರ್ಮ್. ನೋಡಿ ಓದೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. So this is A plus n minus 1 into D. It is the nth term formula. 54th term is nothing but A plus 1 less than this. 53 into D equal to plus 132. This is A get cancelled. N minus 1 into D equal to 53. Here D also I can substitute. Into D, D is 12. Equal to 53 into D is 12 plus 132. That is n minus 1 into 12 is equal to, what is 53 into 12? 636 plus 132. This is n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 636 plus 132. It is 768. That is n minus 1 is equal to 768 divided by 12, 64. So n minus 1 equal to 64 or n equal to 65. That is 65th term is 132 more than its a 54th term. 65th term is 132 more than its a 54th term. For what value of n? For what value of n are the nth term of two APs, this AP and this AP, are equal? What they ask you to find out? For what value of n? Direct question. n ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is the condition? Nth term of first AP must be equal to nth term of second AP. Nth term of this AP must be equal to nth term of that AP. What is n ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is nth term formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. What is nth term formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. What is A in this AP? In this AP, A is 63 plus n minus 1 into, what is D? 65 minus 63 is 2. In this AP, what is A? 3 plus n minus 1 into, what is D? 10 minus 3, it is 7. So it is 63 plus this is n into 2, 2n minus 2 into 1, 2. This is 3 plus this is 7 into n, 7n minus 7 into 1, 7. So I will take all the terms to this side, constant terms, and n to that side. This is 63, this is minus 2. If I take 3 this side, minus 3, minus 7 this side, plus 7, equal to this is 7n, plus 2n that side is minus 2n. All n I took right side, all constant term I took left. 65 equal to 7n minus 2n is 5n. So n ones are 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 3s are 15. That is n equal to 13. Means 13th term of this AP and 13th term of this AP both are equal. You can calculate what is that term also. Which term anta kelidare? Answer is this. That's it. Illige mugita answer. N is 13th term are equal anta. But which is that term also you can calculate by using any one of this AP. Idraladro ಅಥವಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಾದರೂ. If I use this AP, what is your 13th term? A plus 12D. What is A? 3 plus 12 into what is D? It is 7. That is 3 plus 12 sevens are 84. 84 plus 3, 87. That term is 87. But in this question they didn't ask. Which term? 13th term. That's it. Also find the term anta ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ನೀವು. Also term that find that term anta ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ you have to find this also. But they ask only which term. So 13th term. Also find that term ಅಂದ್ರೆ 13th term value also you can find out. Last class we studied about how to find the nth term of AP. That is, nth term of AP is nothing but first term plus 1 less than the n. N is the 1 less than that, n minus 1 into common difference. Using this, many problems I did. 4 different problems we can do. One is to find Tn, other is to find A, other is to find n, other is to find D. 4 different problems you can do. In that, find n, I did many problems. So now we have to do, if I write this as AP, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. No doubt it is an AP because the common difference remains same. 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2 and so on. The common difference remains same. So if I put comma, then it becomes a progression. That is what we will call it as sequence. ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಪುಟ್ ಕಾಮಾ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. If I put plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8 and so on, now it becomes sum of AP. That is a sum of AP of n number of terms, say Sn. sum of n terms. If I add so on up to so many n terms are there, last term I will take it as Tn, or which is equal to L, last term. How to find the sum of this? For that we will give one formula. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. ಸೊ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಡಿರೈವೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಸಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯು ನೀಡ್. ಅದರ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PU ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತೀರಾ. ಇವಾಗ ಬೇಡ, ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ಸೊ Sn is equal to also can be written as n by 2 into 2a a plus a ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? a plus a is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What about this one? A plus n minus 1 into d. Last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus, what about this? A plus n minus 1 into d. Is it your last term L? Or which I write it as n by 2 into a plus nth term? ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಬರೀ ನೀವು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ. Ni? So this is your nth term formula. This is your nth term, that is sum of n terms formula. This is your sum of n terms formula. And you should know the actual meaning of Sn. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Say for example, S1 ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? That is sum of first term. That is nothing but first term only. In this case, if I take, it is just 2. Or which is equal to a only. What is S2? It is not a second term. It is a sum of 2 terms. Sum of 2 terms. This is S2. If I write here, say S1 andre sum of first term andre 2 ne. S2 andre sum of 2 terms, that is 2 plus 4, that is 6. S3 andre that is sum of 3 terms, 2 plus 4 plus 6. Like that. ಸೊ S2 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಿವಾಗ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ T2 ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2a ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು ನಮಗೆ ಜನರಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ S3? Sum of 3 term, first term plus second term plus third term. Similarly S4, similarly Sn, first term plus second term plus third term plus and so on up to nth term. This is the meaning of S. ಇದನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. S1 ಅಂದರೆ sum of first term is nothing but first term only. S2 ಅಂದರೆ sum of 2 terms. S3 ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. Sn ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ n ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಇದರ ಮೀನಿಂಗು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ 2 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು? ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಹೇಳೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 2 ಇಂಟು ಎ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. n minus 1 into d ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 4 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದರ್, 4 ಅನ್ನೌನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದರ್. ಒಂದು Sn, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ n ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದರ್? n. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ನೋಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ಅನ್ನೌನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ n ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ n ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ n, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಎ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಡಿ. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಚ್ 3 ಅನ್ನೌನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್, 1 ಅನ್ನೌನ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. 3 ಅನ್ನೌನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅನ್ನೌನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Similarly, if I take the second formula, that is n by 2 into a plus L, L is the last term. If you know first term and last term and n, you can calculate Sn. That is, here also again 4 variables, Sn, n, a, l. So Sn, n, a and l. There are again 4 unknowns, out of which 3 they will give, 4th one you have to find out. Maybe ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ಇದು 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಆನ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಡೂ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನ್ ಈಚ್ ಕೇಸ್. ಒಂದೊಂದರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2 formulas I am going to write. First one is sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is one formula. Another formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. L is the last term, that is L is nothing but nth term. That formula. We'll consider the first problem, that is find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP 8, 3, minus 2 and so on. Read the question carefully and write the data whatever they given. Find the sum of first 22 terms. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 22 ಹೇಳೋದೇನದು? First 22 terms means that is n equal to 22 terms. Number of terms are 22. So n equal to 22. Problem ಓದ್ತಾನೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು. The next of this AP, EAP na observe ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, whatever all the data we can collect. I can collect A, that is the first term. I can collect D, that is a term minus its previous term, that is minus 5. What they ask you to calculate? Sn. See the term whatever I know and appropriate formula which matches with this data. n ಗೊತ್ತು, a ಗೊತ್ತು, d ಗೊತ್ತು, Sn ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನೋ. ಸೊ n ಗೊತ್ತು, a ಗೊತ್ತು, d ಗೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ವಿಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is n is nothing but 22 equal to 22 by 2 into 2 into what is a? 8 plus n is 22 minus 1 into what is d? Minus 5. That is equal to 11 into 8 2s are 16 plus 21 minus 1, 22 minus 1, 21 into minus 5 plus into minus 21 into minus 5 minus 89, 11 into minus 89. So this is your sum of 22 terms. Take the next problem. How many terms of an AP? How many terms of an AP? 24, 21, 18 must be taken so that their sum is 78. Observe the problem clearly. How many terms of AP means what you have to find out? How many terms means what you have to find out? N. Their sum is 78. Their sum is 78. That is Sn is equal to 78. And AP is given. Using this AP, idhu nodi, we can collect first term which is 24 and the common difference is 21 minus 24, that is minus 3. Term minus its previous term. So which is the formula suitable for this data? Sn is given, a is given, d is given, n they ask you to find out. So Sn is given, a is given, d is given, they ask you to find out n. So this formula suits to this data. Make use of that formula. What is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is Sn? 78 is equal to n by 2, n only I need to find out, n by 2 into 2 into a is 24 plus n minus 1 into ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದನ್ನು ಮರಿಬಾರ್ದು into d is minus 3. That is, if I cross multiply this, 78 twos are, how much it is? 156 into n into 24 twos are. This is plus into minus minus 3 into n 3n minus into minus plus 3 into 1 3. That is 156 is equal to, this is n into 48 plus 3, how much it is? 51 minus 3n. If I multiply n, 156 is equal to 51n minus 3n square. So take all the terms to this side, it becomes 3n square. 151n to this side, it is minus 51n. This is 156. It is already there in that only. 156 equal to 0. So factorize this. Can we cancel this one? Divide throughout by 3. ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ? 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6. Check. N square minus 17n plus 52 equal to 0. Check. So it is a quadratic equation. You need to solve. Quadratic equation solve ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು quadratic equation chapter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. It's a quadratic equation. If you multiply that, you have to get 52. If you add that, you have to get 17 minus 17 minus 7. It is minus 13 and minus 4. Minus into minus plus 13 4s are 52. Minus 13 minus 4 is minus 17. If you add that, you will get minus 17. If you multiply that, you will get 52. That is, directly I will write the answer. This is minus 13. Change the sign and write. Minus 13 sign change ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ plus 13 ಆಯಿತು. Here minus 4, change the sign and write plus 4. ಇದನ್ನ factorize ಮಾಡಿ calculate the answer. You have to calculate the answer, but that we did in a quadratic equation chapter. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದನ್ನು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. So n equal to 13 and n equal to 4. They might ask the question, explain the dual answer. Explain dual answer. So n is equal to 4. ಅಂದರೆ 4 terms add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get, that is how much it is? 78. 13 terms add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 78 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ ಇದು? Is it both the answers are true? Whether 13 terms if you add, you will get 78 as answer, and 4 terms if you add, you will get 78 as answer. True na? ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ. Write 4 terms and add it. Check how much you are going to get. Write 13 terms and add it. Check how much you are going to get. Both the answers are correct. Since it is negative signs are there, it is decreasing AP. 24, 21, 18, decreasing AP. Then some of the terms ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋಂಥ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಳು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೋತ್ 13 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 4 ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಯಾವುದನ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. 24 is 30 ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, 4 is ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.